If you think vision loss is forever, think again. Scientists at CAST have developed a groundbreaking drug that restores vision by regenerating retinal nerves. Tested on mice, this miracle treatment blocked a protein-stopping retinal repair, leading to long-lasting vision restoration. Imagine this hope for millions suffering from retinal diseases. Clinical trials are on the horizon, bringing us closer to a world where vision loss isn't permanent. Stay tuned for more updates on this visionary breakthrough.